Hello everyone. It's been 10 days since I last visited and shooted a video, and so the last 10 days they are almost rainy days, and I only visited once or twice. So because of the rain, I think it seems that many weeds and some vegetables grows bigger, and I'm gonna show you what's going on in our kitchen garden. So here we have totally 4 lanes. From there 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this time I'm going to show you the third lane from here in front of the stove to the front of the kitchen garden. So let's go. So this one is a type of orange. I don't know what the English name, but we just planted last month, and it's growing nice, no problem so far. And below are the weeds and some vegetables like green pepper, and it's mugwort. For some people it's just weeds, but it can be used as tea leaf dried under the sun, and then just put it into the hot water. Then I like the tea, mugwort tea. Also we have maybe this one is broccoli or some kind of cabbage or something, I don't know, but anyways, edible. And next, this place is like, I think it's like a jungle with small chaos. So let's take a closer look at each vegetables. This one is a type of beans, maybe, I'm not sure the English name, but cow beans, cowpea or something. And from its appearance it can stand by itself, not extending vines. So beans are that I directly sow seeds on the soil. And this one is cucumber. It's also being sowed directly on the soil, and the percentage of germination is really high, as well as beans. This is bean, cow bean. And this one is okra. Last year I harvested so many okra pods and eat so many okra, eat raw and eat some like cook and eat. So next to okra there are some radishes which already bloom, flower, and produced the new generation. I mean the pod with seed inside. Not sure if it's still good to harvest and eat it after blooming flower, because when I touch them the texture is different. Like it gets a bit softer. And we also have some sweet potatoes, which actually I don't really like to harvest because I have to dig a hole, and that sometimes distract the environment around them. Sorry, destroy the soil condition. So I actually do not like to grow sweet potato nowadays. Okra here again, and cowpea or some other kind of beans. And this one is maybe green pea. Not sure again. But it's interesting to see because the green pea together with cowpea both are twining around each other to grow higher. So from that, maybe we can think that if we don't have any poles or net, they can grow actually and produces that beans which we eat. So the other side is a much higher okra. Here okra as well. And this one is a fruit tree seedling called cereja. I think it's originated from Southern America, Mid America, Central America. I'm not sure, but those regions are the origin of it. This fruit tree we just planted last month. I don't have so many information about that plant, but since the shape and the taste of the fruit is very unique and curious for me, so I planted it. And we also have these leeks or Chinese onion growing inside the jungle. Still looks great. And pepino is a fruit vegetable whose shape is like rounded, a bit like a tomato, and tastes like sweet. I've just harvested one today. This one, a bit yellowish color, is ready to pick, I heard, so we just pick it up and later I will try to eat. So next to the small jungle, here we have magnolia. Actually it's not a fruit tree, but I planted it 2 years ago because in autumn the leaves falls in autumn, and that gonna make the soil condition better, much fertile. So that's why I planted. And here with the first glance we only have weeds, but maybe we have some vegetables like sweet potatoes and cucumber. This one maybe carrot, and this is elderly okra, which means it it keep alive through the last winter, so it's already 1 year old, and this month grows new leaves together with some immature new pod. Maybe it already bloom a flower. And beans again. Here on the surface of the soil we have a small, maybe lettuce. I pick a leaf to taste, to check the taste. It tastes like lettuce. And okra here. I sowed so many okra seeds, so maybe next month we can see so many okra leaves or many okra plants growing like this. And we also have asparagus grown from seeds on the soil. The fluffy leaves are really comfortable to touch. And okra. And this tree is mulberry, which has once grown behind the cabin where is almost shades a whole day. So that time this tree did not bear so many fruits, so that's why I moved it from behind the cabin to the front of the cabin. So we just transplanted it to here 1 week ago. So all leaves are already fallen, but new young leaves are ready to appear. Can't focus very well, but still it's visible. Next to the mulberry we have basil. It's also 1 year old basil, and every day we can pick it up and eat raw sometimes, bring them back home and make some pet sauce or some Asian dishes like Taiwanese food. We can add basil, it will match very nice. And we also have maize corn grown from seeds on the soil. Like this one is so-called weed, but this one is maize corn. The color is a bit different. The maize corn is much yellowish, yellow-green. And here under the longan fruit tree we have this one is soybean. It does not grow a vine. It stands like this. And cow bean, cucumber, and carrot. And we also have a small lettuce sprout here as well. Like there are so many tiny holes. The spots are eaten by bugs, insects. Next to the longan tree we have guava tree. Guava here in Taiwan, guava grows very faster, so it needs less period until bearing fruits. And under the tree we have cucumber, so maybe when it grows vines, then the vine will coils around the stalk of the guava tree, like see here, like coal beans already twine around guava. So interesting to see. We also have mint. Every day I pick them up, and some of them I put them into the water. That mint water is very fresh and clear taste. I really love drinking it. Cowpea everywhere. And strawberry, blooming flowers, but less fruits until now. And they are rosal. Its leaves similar to okra. They are grown from seeds on the soil. So we reach the front of the kitchen garden. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.